Howdy, my name is Bailey Beckner and I attend Texas A&M University. I am in Chemistry 119, Section 513, and today I'm going to be presenting my lab final project. Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to balance equations. On the board is iron 3 oxide written as Fe2O3 plus C arrow Fe plus CO2. Alrighty, so the first thing that we do is we set up a table with a list of the elements and the number of atoms in each. We see this by the subscripts on each side. So we're first going to start out with oxygen on the reactant side of the unbalanced equation. So we see that there's 3 oxygens on this side and 2 on this side. So to make them equal, we have to multiply oxygen by 2 and this oxygen by 3. So therefore, we're going to add a 2 in front of this part, and then we're going to add a 3 on this part. That makes this 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, and makes this oxygen 6 as well, because 3 times 2 is 6. So now we go to Fe. We see on this side that we now have 4 Fe, 2 times 2, and we only have 1 Fe on this side. Therefore, we're going to add a 4 on the product side of the equation. So therefore, 2 times 2 makes this 4 on this side, and 4 times 1 makes this 4 on this side. We now see that for the last element, we have carbon. So on this side, we have 3 carbon. So we're going to go ahead and make this one 3 here. So we automatically know what we have to put on this side of the equation to make it equal to this side. So this goes out to 3. All right, so in the last video, we see that we balance the equation of iron 3 oxide here, and this is the final of that. So why do we balance equations? We balance equations because with the unbalanced equations, it's just listing the reactants and the products. However, without the coefficients, we aren't able to tell the correct amount to satisfy the conservation of mass. Thanks again. After numerous takes of the videos and putting them into iMovie, I realized that I had written down and was saying iron 3 oxide. However, the equation that I balanced is iron 3 oxide plus carbon.